All right, ladies and gentlemen, you got Go High Level, you've got means to make money, but you don't know how to connect all the dots. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how those dots are connected. I've got 7 methods for you to use your Go High Level, which you're paying for, to actually make money. And the last method will actually blow your mind. It's probably the best way to make money. It will take a little bit more time, but if you've got that heart, you've got that dedication, you will be able to do it. And literally everything is automated with all of Go High Level's tools. That's the crazy part. The thing is, with Go High Level, it does so much. So whatever money you want to make, it'll help you do that. It'll actually do all of the heavy lifting. So if you want to get started with Go High Level, click on the link in the description down below and let's jump into the video. So you want to make money and you're using Go High Level, but you just haven't quite navigated how exactly to put the two together, link them, and actually make use of Go High Level's capabilities. You can make money using Go High Level by building lead generation funnels and websites for your local businesses. This is your gateway to creating sub accounts. Go High Level is a powerful platform for landing pages and full websites. So you can go to your local businesses in your area and you can offer to build lead generation systems that help them get more clients. And this is a problem almost every local business has, getting more clients. So what are you doing? You're solving a real pain point for them. Now within Go High Level, you'll use the funnel builder for your form builder and your calendar feature, as well as workflows for emails and SMS follow-ups. This will turn raw leads into actual paying clients. You can also charge a monthly retainer. This can be anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month. Plus, you can charge a setup fee or use a pay-per-lead model. For example, this could be $20 to $100 per lead, depending on what the niche is. Also, many businesses love performance-based pricing because they only pay when you actually deliver. This means if your system is actually working, then your customer, the business that you're serving, will actually make money, and this means that you will make money. Now, for this model, you'll need the Unlimited or the SaaS Pro. So, this will allow you to create unlimited sub-accounts, each for different clients, and it'll make it easy for you to separate their data, their automations, and reporting while keeping everything in one place. Now, since most local businesses are not good at marketing, you're basically giving them a booked calls on autopilot system, and that's worth real money. Let's jump into the next method. You can run an AI automation agency. This allows you to turn Go High Level into a backbone of an AI automation agency. When you combine Go High Level with tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Make.com, and other AI platforms, you build smarter systems for lead qualification, DMs, data collections, chatbots, emails, and so much more. Go High Level also has a built-in AI feature, so you don't actually need to build everything from scratch. Isn't it amazing? So some of the typical services that you can sell here would be AI lead qualification, AI frequently asked questions, chatbots, and then smart nurture flows and social media automations. You can charge for custom builds. This can be anything from $1,000 to $10,000 per system. You can also use a monthly retainer, for example, building and maintaining a system per month for X amount of money, or you can build pre-built AI enhanced snapshots and sell those as already working functioning systems. You can position yourself as the expert who audits their current processes, designs automations, and implements them in Go High Level. Now, because many businesses want AI in their businesses but don't know how to use it or where to start, this is a high value, in demand skill. The next method over here to make money with Go High Level is sell pre-built snapshots. First of all, what is a snapshot if you're not familiar? A snapshot is a full Go High Level template that includes automations, forms, funnels, workflows, triggers, and calendars. You can build a snapshot once and then sell it multiple times as a digital product. Many people are already doing this very successfully by selling niche-specific templates inside of Go High Level communities and on their own websites. Pricing typically ranges from $100 to $1,000 depending on complexity as well as niche. So explore that and see what appeals to you. So how do you actually make money with snapshots? Well, the first step is to learn how to build advanced workflows and automations in Go High Level. You can create a snapshot tailored to a specific niche. This could be coaching, real estate agents, mortgage loans. This could be service-based businesses, agencies, or even course sellers. You can bundle it with video training, like a Loom walkthrough, so buyers can actually use it quickly and understand how everything works. You can also sell snapshots on your own website. So you can build a website within GoHighLevel, all with AI. You don't even have to click too many buttons. You can even use a Gumroad or in GoHighLevel's related groups. The key here is to niche down and include very specific funnels, forms, and workflows that solve a clear problem for a specific business type. Let us jump into number 4. I promise this is number 4. All right, so set up GoHighLevel for other businesses. So lots of businesses sign up for GoHighLevel but don't actually know how to use it. This means that you can make money by offering setup and onboarding services. You can go into their accounts and you can do the following. You can set up their domain and email integration, custom domains and their websites, funnels, calendars and workflows, CRM and pipeline configuration. And it might seem very simple if you already know how to use GoHighLevel, but most businesses don't actually want to learn it themselves. They're too busy doing what they do to try and run their business. You can charge a flat setup fee from $500 to $2,500 or even more, and then optionally add in a recurring retainer, for example, maybe $300 or $500 a month for ongoing maintenance, updates, and troubleshooting. Now, since this skill doesn't really take months to learn and delivers real value, it's a great way to start a sustainable service business. Here's a quick tip. Use the unlimited plan if you're managing multiple client accounts, or the SaaS Pro plan if you plan to white label and resell your GoHighLevel. Right, we are looking at number 5. Is this number 5? I do believe it's number 5. So what we're looking at over here is the DM automations for influencers and coaches. Now, you've all been on Instagram and you have seen this call to action. DM this word or comment this word and I'll send you a direct message. Okay, so this actually can be done all within GoHighLevel. You can handle all the DMs and the comment automations for platforms like Instagram. It is a similar tool to ManyChat, but it doesn't need that separate app. You can actually run keyword triggered DM flows for your influencers and for coaches. They will connect their Instagram accounts to a sub account that you control, and you can build a workflow that replies to comments or DMs. This means that all they have to concentrate on is making content. Now, your typical DM automation features include a trigger, which is a comment reply when somebody actually comments a specific word, for example, info or AI or GoHighLevel for all that matters. This means that you send an automated DM with more information or a lead magnet. You collect their name, their email, their phone number, and you push that data into your GoHighLevel CRM. You can also add in after that email follow-up sequences, SMS follow-up sequences, calendar bookings, so that your leads are booked directly into the client's sales call. You can charge a setup fee of $500 to $3,000 and a monthly support fee, which could be just a couple $100 to maintain. And then you can go further by offering funnels, lead magnets, and full marketing agency style services to your influencers and coaches. And this method is quite powerful because it actually turns social media management into engagement, and it takes real leads and revenue into account, and it actually makes money. Let's have a look over here, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking at the GoHighLevel being resold as your own software as a service. Now, with the SaaS Pro plan, you can resell GoHighLevel as your own white label SaaS product. This means you get features like their auto sub account creation and rebuilding. So you can spin up accounts for clients without manually creating them. You can fully white label their interface, you can remove the GoHighLevel branding, and you can present it as your own software. Let's have a look over here. So you can install templates and snapshots inside of each client's sub account and sell access to your own product. You can resell specific features. This could be AI employees, WordPress integrations, ad management at a markup. And then you can change your own pricing and keep the margin as pure profit. For example, if GoHighLevel is charging you $97 for an AI employee feature, you can resell it at $127. This means you keep the $30 a month profit per client. If you have 100 clients, that's $300. You do not have to put that markup on as $30. You can make it whatever you want. Now, if you sell the full platform to 2 clients at $300 a month each, you're already covering your own subscription costs as well as making additional profits. You can treat every feature in GoHighLevel as a resellable product line and build a full SaaS business around that. And now, even if you're doing packaging and branding for GoHighLevel, this is a fantastic idea. Let's jump into the very last method here. The very last method is creating a course and a community. Now, this might be a little bit more complicated or a little bit more time consuming than some of the other methods. However, you can really build something amazing here. So GoHighLevel includes courses and community features. So you can actually host your own paid courses and memberships without needing separate platforms like Kajabi or Circle to host these courses. This means you can upload videos, PDFs, templates, and other resources. You can build a community with groups, discussions, and member access tiers. You can host live calls, Q&As, and coaching sessions inside of the platform. How do you monetize it though? Well, first of all, you can sell standalone courses. This can range from $100 to $500. You can sell a higher ticket offering. For example, a 6 to 12 months coaching course, community access, or even a one-on-one call. And this can range from $2,500 to $10,000 or even more, depending on who you're selling to, what industry they're in, and what you're selling to them. Now, if you already have an audience in a specific niche, packaging your knowledge into a course and a community is one of the easiest and most scalable ways to actually make money online with GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel actually gives you everything you need. It's got hosting, automation, email, community tools. And this means all you have to do is run the whole operation from one single account. What did I tell you? Method 7 is by far the best method. This means that you can continue to sell something you've produced once and continue to make an income. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support, and don't forget to use the link in the description down below to get started with GoHighLevel. Peace.